Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2013 Volkswagen Passat. It's opera red with the beige interior. It's got the two-tone materials with the leather and the cloth, heated seats, power seats both sides, fender audio, big touchscreen navigation, push button start, remote starter. It's a diesel in case you haven't heard it. The alloy wheels, the tires are deep, the oil's just been changed. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that very reasonably. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. So come on in, take a look at this beautiful Passat. Only 65,000 miles, and it's ready to go. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.